Good morning. Well, in true coastal weather fashion, I was going to the beach this morning, and when I got up and looked out the window, it was clear, bright, just getting light, quite nice. So I put some kit together, got in the car to drive down, and the winds got up. I've driven through torrential rain, but I think it's more or less blown over. But looking at the clouds, there's more to come. So I'm not sure quite how this video is going to go. It's going to be a bit rough on the beach. How much rain? Don't know. If it starts to pour, I won't be doing any filming. And also, if it is very windy, there won't be any audio either. So we might end up today just with a few photos. Let's crack on and see how it goes. Well, I've been out on the beach and up on the tops. Bloody hell, it's blowing. There's a strong southwesterly. I think the weather report said 25-30 miles an hour, which doesn't sound a lot, but on open ground when it's blowing straight off the sea, the wind chill, my word. Caught in the car, it was about 7 degrees, something like that, on the way here. My hands are like ice. I dread to think what the wind chill is. So, not too much filming or pictures on the beach, I don't think. Not today. I might walk a bit further, see if I can find another sheltered spot. I'm on the back side at the moment, so I am facing, let's have a look, sort of northeast. So I'm away from the wind. It's a very uninspiring view from this direction. So yeah, I'll wander a bit further, see what else I can see or find. Just in time. I was on top of the sand dunes, looked west, and I could see very dark clouds over the top of the cliffs in the distance. I knew I wouldn't have long, so I hightailed it back to the car. Bloody hell, I'm knackered. I've been in the car about 30 seconds and the heavens opened. Just in time. It's one thing being cold, but when you're cold and get wet, it's not nice. I think that might be it for today, unless this blows over quite fast and I find somewhere else interesting on the short trip back home. See you in a bit. Maybe not. Maybe see you next time. Who knows? Now this probably won't focus in here because the camera will focus on the windscreen rather than the view, but it's sort of an aerial shot almost, because I've come back up onto the ridge at Hastings of where I was, the beach. So what I'll do is I'll jump out and just sort of zoom that area, but all you're going to hear is wind noise. Nope, too bright, no focus, and it's bloody windy. Bloody typical, isn't it? Get back home, bright sunshine. Still windy though. So, yeah, I made the right choice. I'll feel a bacon sandwich and a cup of coffee cooling. See you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.